Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude model. This car is granite in color, folks. It's got black cloth seats. It's automatic. Seating for 5. It's a one-owner car. It's got a clean Carfax. It is a certified vehicle. This car is flawless. This car only has 23,428 miles on it. V6 engine, it's got power seat, including lumbar. It's got Bluetooth for your cell phone, an 8.4 screen with a backup camera. Also has a trailer hitch on the back, folks, so you can tow your boat. This has the 3.6 liter preferred engine that will get you up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway. You will only find this car at Firkins. Call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.